Good morning and Jai Hind, dear students. Children, in today's class, we are going to discuss the exercise of this chapter, that is body and its movement. So we'll discuss choose the most appropriate answer and very short answer question. Okay. I'll also try to cover the exercise of chemistry, that is air around us, that we will also discuss, and we'll also discuss the exercise of physics, that is fun with magnets. Okay. So children, quickly mug up and be ready with your pencil. I hope, though I have already sent you the exercises of chemistry and physics, but again we have to discuss it, so we'll discuss it first. Okay, those who have not done it, you can do it now in the class. Okay children, please be ready with your pencil, everybody, quickly. So first we'll discuss bio, that is body and its movement. Then we'll shift to chemistry, that is air around us, and then we'll discuss the exercise of fun with magnets. Okay, so I hope it is clear to each and everyone. Now children, please open your book. Open the exercise of chapter number 9, body and its movement. Quickly, be ready with your pencil. Children, I hope everybody has written the new words and the concept map in their fair notebook of bio. If not, do it today. Okay children, let's start with the bio first. Let's discuss the exercise of bio. Question number 1. In which of these organ system do the males and females have different organs? So children, I have discussed this question in the Zoom class also. So ऐसा कौन सा organ system होता है जिसमें male और female अलग अलग होता है? ये organ system. Options you have: nervous system, no; muscular system, no; excretory system, no. Everything is same in male and female, but reproductive system is different in male and female, and this is reproductive system which differentiates male and female, two sexes. Okay. Now question number 2. Which of these has the least number of movable joints? इनमें से ऐसा कौन सा है जिनमें सबसे कम movable joints होते हैं? That is skull, which has only one movable joint, that is jawbone. Okay, backbone is completely movable, arms and hands completely movable, legs and feet also has many movable joints, but in skull we have only one, that is jawbone. Okay. Question 3. The hinge joint allows movement in. This is a hinge joint of the elbow. So it allows the movement only in one plane. हम इसको पीछे नहीं कर सकते, हम इसको दूसरे डायरेक्शन में रोटेट भी नहीं कर सकते. ठीक है? It only allows the movement in one plane only. Okay. Now, question 4. The bones at the joint are held together by. Children, there are three terms that we have discussed: cartilage, ligament and tendon. So be very clear about all these three terms. Cartilage क्या होता है? Cartilage is present between the bones. ठीक है? Which it is a type of a liquid that is present, that covers the end of bone. ठीक है? See, if this is a bone, what is cartilage? Cartilage covers the end area of the bone, okay, which is present at the joint. This is cartilage. Okay. What is ligament? Ligament is a muscular part which connects two joints. अगर ये दो joints हैं, so ligament connects these two joints. This is then ligament. ठीक है? और tendon क्या होता है? Tendons are the muscles. अब ये मसल्स जो यहाँ पे प्रेजेंट है ऐसे और ऐसे, जो कि मूवमेंट में हेल्प करती हैं, दे आर कॉल्ड टेंडन्स. Okay, so cartilage is present over the joint, over the bones to avoid the friction. Ligament इन दोनों को joint करता है, दोनों बोन को. और मसल, टेंडन मसल्स है जो मूवमेंट में हेल्प करती है. What is bone marrow? Bone marrow is present between the bones. Okay, so question is, the bones at the joint are held together by, so bones are held together by ligament. Okay, next, which of these acts as a shock absorber in the joint? शॉक एब्जॉर्बर मतलब कि चोट लग जाए तो, जैसे ऐसा नहीं होता है कि हम लोग को जब भी बोन्स पे या जॉइंट्स पे चोट लग रही है तो हर टाइम वो फ्रैक्चर ही होगा या हर टाइम वो क्रैक ही हो जाएगा, ऐसा नहीं होता है. ठीक है, एक्चुअली होता क्या है, देयर आर कार्टिलेज प्रेजेंट इन द बोन विच प्रोटेक्ट्स दी शॉक. कभी गलती से चोट लग गई तो ऐसा नहीं होगा कि बोन ब्रेक हो जाएगी. सो व्हाट इज प्रेजेंट हियर? कार्टिलेज इज प्रेजेंट विच प्रोटेक्ट्स इट. सो which of these acts as a shock absorber? Cartilage acts as a shock absorber. Okay, question number 6. A group of cells is specialized to perform a specific task is known as tissue, organ system, organism. So they are talking about group of cells. So we know that when cells are grouped together, they form tissue. So what is the answer? Answer is tissue. 7th, muscles in animals contract and expand for. जो मसल्स प्रेजेंट होती हैं जो कॉन्ट्रैक्ट और एक्सपैंड करती हैं, सो व्हाई दे डू इट? डाइजेशन ऑफ फूड? यस, डेफिनेटली. सो व्हाट हैपेंस व्हेन दे विल एक्सपैंड एंड कॉन्ट्रैक्ट? द फूड विल गेट डाइजेस्टेड. ओके, breathing? Definitely, when lungs will expand and contract, then only we can breathe. Movement of the body parts? Yes, when the muscles expands, which is tricep and biceps, when they expands and contract, then only the movement of body can take place. So answer is D, all of these. Okay, what is the answer? Answer is D, all of these. Question 8. Which of these is not an organ system? इसमें से कौन सा organ system नहीं है? Heart, respiratory, digestive, excretory. So I think respiratory is an organ system which involves all other parts like lungs and blood flow and nerves and everything. Then nose and nostril and everything is included in respiratory. In excretory also, urinary bladder, then urethra and everything is included. In digestive also we require mouth, teeth, food pipe, stomach, small intestine, large intestine. So it is a complete organ system. But heart, I think heart is only one organ. Heart is only one organ. So what is the correct answer? Correct answer is heart. Heart is not an organ system. Okay. So for 8th, correct answer is A. 9th, joints are placed where? Two bones meet, two muscles meet, a bone and a muscle meet, all of these. So we know that joints is the place where two bones meet. So what is the correct answer? Correct answer is A, where two bones meet. Now 10th, where is a hinge joint located in your body? Hinge joint कहाँ होता है? ये होता है hinge joint elbow पे. So let's see which is the correct option. Between the arms and the shoulder. Between the arms and the shoulder, this? No. Between the upper hand and the lower hand? Yes. This hinge joint is present. Between the legs and the thighs? No. Between the bones and the skull? No. Okay. So what is the correct answer? Correct answer is B, between the upper and lower arm. Clear? Now coming to very short answer questions. All living organisms are made up of number of cells. No, they are made up of only one single cell. So answer is false. Second, the main function of the DASH system is to transport nutrient, oxygen and waste. So what is it? It is circulatory system. CIRCULATORY, circulatory system. So answer is circulatory system. 3. The teeth are a part of DASH system. Teeth किसमें involved होता है? Which system? In digestive system. Okay. 4th, a child has more bones than an adult. Very true. Child has 300 bones, whereas adults have 196 bones. Okay, 106 bones. So a child has definitely more bones than adult. So answer is true. 5th, which part of the skeletal system is the brain protected by? Brain किससे protect होता है? Skull से. No, answer is skull. 6th, how many movable joints does the skull have? 1. That is jawbone. 7th, name 2 organs protected by ribcage. So everybody knows it. What is the answer? Heart and lungs. 8th, name the longest bone in the human body. It is femur. Femur कहाँ होता है बेटा? It is thigh bone. Okay, which is the longest. Okay. 9th, the joints between the ribs and the breastbone allow a slight movement. Yes, definitely. So answer is true. 10th, name the group of muscles you use to lower your arms. तो अगर हमने हाथ ऊपर किया है और लोअर करने के लिए हम कौन से मसल्स को यूज करते हैं? नीचे वाले मसल्स, which is called tricep. इसको क्या बोलते हैं? Bicep, and this is called tricep. So answer is triceps. 11th, muscles move the bones by pulling and pushing them? No, only by pulling. There is no pushing. So answer is false. 12th, worms do not have bones. True, they have liquid skeleton. Like earthworm has a liquid skeleton. 13th, what kind of skeleton does a cockroach have? Endo or exo? It is exoskeleton. You will write completely, right? You will write exoskeleton. Exoskeleton means they are having a skeleton outside the body. Okay, so it is exoskeleton. Which fin of the fish helps it to move? Side fin or a tail fin? Side fin balance करने के लिए use होता है, whereas tail fin is used to move. So answer is tail fin. 15th, what is the shape that fish, birds, airplanes and ships have that reduces air water resistance? That is streamlined. Answer is streamlined. Okay, so we know that this shape is known as streamline. ये फिश का शेप होता है और ऐसा ही शेप किसका होता है? एरोप्लेन का होता है और ऐसा ही शेप किसका होता है? शिप का होता है, बर्ड्स का होता है, एयरप्लेन्स का होता है, फिश का होता है. सो इट इज स्ट्रीमलाइन स्ट्रक्चर. 16th, what is the name given to animals with backbones? जिनके backbones होते हैं उनको क्या नाम देते हैं? Vertebrates. They are called vertebrates. Okay, clear? So these were the answers of choose the most appropriate answer and very short answer question. Children, I'll send you these exercises. Please do it in your book, and short answer questions and long answer questions you will do it in your fair notebook and HOTS also. Okay, so I'll send you these answers. Keep on checking the e-content. Okay, now let's move to chemistry. So please open this page. What is the page number? Page number is 194. Children, open page 194, air around us. Page number 194. Children, please open page number 194. That is air around us. Okay, so let's start with that. Question number 1. The presence of which of these components in air varies from place to place? Oxygen. Oxygen is present everywhere, entirely everywhere in equal amount. So it is not the answer. Nitrogen. It is present in abundance. बहुत ज़्यादा nitrogen होता है. So it does not change from place to place. Carbon dioxide, same thing. But water vapor varies from place to place. Why? Because water vapor is more when in जो एरिया सी, ओशन, रिवर के पास होता है वहां पे वाटर वेपर का कंटेंट ज्यादा होता है. ओके, सो इट वेरीज फ्रॉम प्लेस टू प्लेस. सेकेंड, which of these is not true for combustion? What is combustion? Combustion is a process of burning. कोई भी चीज अगर हम जला रहे हैं in the presence of oxygen, if we are burning the matchstick, if we are lighting the matchstick, it is also combustion. Okay, so what happens in case of combustion? In case of combustion, we require oxygen and carbon dioxide is released. So let's see what are the options. Oxygen is formed. So question says which is not true, which is not true for combustion. Combustion के लिए हम ऑक्सीजन को यूज करते हैं. So this option is correct. C is correct option. Carbon dioxide is released, that is carbon dioxide is formed. So it is also correct. Nitrogen does not change. True, nitrogen does not change. But oxygen is not formed. So this is a wrong option. That is, it is not true for combustion. So you will mark A. Clear? Question 3. Which of these is not an organ for taking in oxygen? इसमें से कौन सा ऑक्सीजन नहीं लेने का organ है? Lungs, we take oxygen. Gills, definitely. Stomata for leaf. Atmosphere, no. Atmosphere से हम ऑक्सीजन थोड़ा ना लेते हैं. ऑक्सीजन atmosphere is not an organ. Okay, such a lame question, isn't it? Now, question number 4. Which of the following gases protect us from ultraviolet rays? Ultraviolet rays से कौन सी layer protect करती है? कौन सी gas? That is ozone layer. Okay, ozone layer protects the earth from ultraviolet rays. Question 5. The percentage of oxygen in the air does not change because oxygen is not used in any natural process. Wrong, it is used. Oxygen used up in the natural process is negligible. नहीं, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है. बहुत ज़्यादा amount में use होता है. Oxygen used up in some natural process is renewed by another natural process. Definitely yes. तो ऑक्सीजन यूज होता है, ह्यूमंस यूज करते हैं, लेकिन फोटोसिंथेसिस के प्रोसेस से ऑक्सीजन फिर से रिन्यू हो जाता है. ओके. डी, oxygen used up in natural process is replenished by the ozone layer. No, false. 6. Which of these can plants not absorb directly from the atmosphere? Oxygen? नहीं, ऑक्सीजन तो डायरेक्टली ले लेता है. Carbon dioxide? No. Nitrogen? So plant cannot take nitrogen directly. क्या करता है कि ये या तो नाइट्रेट में कन्वर्ट होगा या फिर नाइट्राइट में कन्वर्ट होगा. ओके, कि किसी और फॉर्म में चेंज हो जाएगा. देन प्लांट कैन टेक नाइट्रोजन. नेक्स्ट, 7. Which of these plant does not have stomata? इसमें से कौन सा ऐसा प्लांट है जिसमें स्टोमेटा नहीं होता? वाटर लिली का जो लीफ होता है बेटा, दैट इज प्रेजेंट अबव द सरफेस ऑफ वाटर, तो उसमें स्टोमेटा ऊपर की तरफ होता है, ऑन द अपर साइड ऑफ द सरफेस. ओके, लोटस में भी it is present over the surface, but in tape grasses, this tape grasses, they are submerged inside the water, so they don't have stomata. Okay, rather the body surface of the tape grass absorbs the oxygen present in water. Okay, so what is the correct option? Correct option is C, that is tape grass. Now, eighth, the percentage amount of which of these gases in air is the least. इनमें से कौन सा सबसे कम प्रेजेंट है? ऑक्सीजन नो 21%, 78% नाइट्रोजन, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड बहुत ही कम होता है ना, इट इज नियरली 0.03%. so, सबसे कम क्या होता है? कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड. ओके, cannot say because it varies from place to place. No, not a correct option. Ninth, the air in which of these is expected to be most polluted? High mountain peak? नहीं. Wildlife sanctuary? नहीं. Farmland? नहीं. What is the correct option? इंडस्ट्रियल टाउन. इंडस्ट्रियल टाउन में इतनी गैसेस रिलीज होती हैं, इतनी ज्यादा गैसेस रिलीज होती हैं, हार्मफुल गैसेस फ्रॉम द इंडस्ट्री, लाइक पेपर इंडस्ट्री, टेक्सटाइल इंडस्ट्री, सब जगह से बहुत ज्यादा हार्मफुल गैसेस रिलीज होती है विच पॉल्यूट्स द एयर. ओके, तो अगर कोई इंडस्ट्रियल टाउन है तो देयर एयर विल बी कंसिडर्ड मोस्ट पॉल्यूटेड. क्लियर? I hope children you are getting these answers. You are understanding it. Now let's move to the very short answer question. Question number 1. The blanket of air surrounding the earth is called atmosphere. Quickly children, just do it very fast because you already know these. The major component of air is nitrogen, which is 78%. Plants need the gas, but they cannot take it directly from the atmosphere. So which gas they cannot take directly from the atmosphere? That is nitrogen. Question 4. Bodies of living things release energy during the process of, energy किस process में release होती है? Respiration. What is respiration and what is difference between respiration and breathing? Breathing के case में we only inhale oxygen and exhale carbon dioxide. But in case of respiration, inhalation of oxygen takes place, production of energy takes place, release of energy takes place, and exhale of carbon dioxide takes place. तो ये पूरा process है. ठीक है? So the answer is respiration. Fifth, respiration and combustion removes carbon dioxide from air. No, it is false. रेस्पिरेशन हमारे में से कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड निकालता है, कंबशन ठीक है एटमॉस्फेयर से रिमूव करता है, लेकिन रेस्पिरेशन ह्यूमन से रिलीज करता है. ओके, सो दिस इज फॉल्स. सिक्स्थ, प्लांट रिलीजेस द गैस डैश ड्यूरिंग द डे एंड द गैस डैश एट द नाइट. ऑक्सीजन इट रिलीजेस ड्यूरिंग द डे एंड कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड इट रिलीजेस ड्यूरिंग नाइट. इसीलिए कहते हैं कि रात में पेड़ के नीचे नहीं सोना चाहिए, बिकॉज इट रिलीजेस कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड. ओके, नाउ सेवेंथ, plants respire only at night. No, false. Plants respire in day also. That is why they can make the food by photosynthesis. Question 8. The percentage of dash present in air is 0.03% by volume. It is carbon dioxide. So you will write completely carbon dioxide. Okay. Next. Name the organ used by fishes to breathe in air dissolved in water. So everybody knows it. What is the answer? It is gills. 10th. The atmosphere is responsible for weather change. True or false? True. Very true. 11th, the dash cycle gets disturbed by deforestation. Deforestation क्या होता है? Cutting down of excessive trees is called deforestation. ठीक है, तो कौन सी साइकिल डिस्टर्ब होगी? ऑक्सीजन साइकिल. यू विल राइट कंप्लीटली ऑक्सीजन. ठीक है, so that was about air around us. Choose the most appropriate answer and very short answer question. Now let's move to physics. Open page number 168, children, quickly. Open this page 168. All right, question 1. Which of the following is not a magnetic material? इनमें से कौन सा magnetic material नहीं है? So we know that there are 3 magnetic materials basically, that is iron, nickel and cobalt. So iron, nickel and cobalt are magnetic substance, whereas gold is not a magnetic substance. The magnetic strength of a magnet is uniform throughout the body of the magnet, is concentrated at one point called pole of a magnet. एक जगह पे होता है? नहीं. Is it concentrated in the 2 regions called poles of the magnet? Yes. So in a magnet, if this is a magnet, sorry for the wrong figure, कहाँ पे strength ज्यादा होती है? 2 poles पे. 2 poles पे magnet की strength ज्यादा होती है. Center पे नहीं. So correct answer is C. Now 3. If a magnet is rolled in a packet of steel pin, अगर steel की pin है और उसमें हमने magnet को roll किया, the pin will get most attracted to the north pole, the south pole, the center of the magnet, equally to both poles. We know that it will be attracted equally to both the poles. Question 4. Which of these does not use a magnet? LCD TV, electric fan, computer hard disk, DVD. Definitely LCD TV में magnet use नहीं होता है. 5th, a freely suspended magnet comes to rest in, everybody knows it is north to south direction. 6th, which of the following cannot happen irrespective of whether the given iron bar B is a bar magnet or not? So अगर वो बार मैग्नेट हो चाहे वो बार मैग्नेट ना हो, ये चीज नहीं होगी. क्या? Both ends of B are repelled by south pole of the magnet. दोनों repel नहीं कर सकते. Okay, this is the correct answer. Then which of these material can be used to make needle of the compass? Steel. Okay, not aluminium, not copper, not gold. Why? Because they are not magnetic substance. Steel is a magnetic substance because steel is made up of iron. 8th, a compass needle is kept in the center of the bar magnet. Which of the following is true? It will align itself along the length of the magnet with its south pole towards the north pole. Definitely. So this is the correct answer. Okay. So children, I have already sent you these answers. So I am not going into the detail of this again. So children, now listen to me very carefully. I'll send you the exercise of physics, chemistry and bio all together till Monday. Okay, or till Saturday. I'll send you all the 3 exercises. Please keep on checking the e-content. Okay, so one by one I'll send you bio, physics and chemistry in the e-content app. Please have a look and please see quickly. ठीक है, और अपना काम complete करिए. Study well and prepare well. Keep learning and study the chapter also. First you will read the chapter because questions can come from within the chapter also. Okay, then you will choose the most appropriate answer and short answer, like very short answer questions. So focus on these 2 mainly Okay, questions can be from within the chapter also. Is it clear to everyone? Okay, so I hope children you are studying, you are preparing well for your exam. If you come across any kind of doubt, do ask in the group, children. Okay, so that's all for today's class. All the very best for your exams, children. Thank you and Jai Hind.